Hey, it's Anissa bringing you a real deal on the Dirt Devil Vac+Dust machine. Now this is great for your non-carpeted floors. It does two things. It vacuums, but it also dusts them, so your floors are going to be cleaner than ever. Let's take a look.
Speed through hard floor cleaning with the Dirt Devil Vac+Dust range with swipes. Plug in to pick up debris with powerful suction while Dirt Lock technology captures the dust and dirt in one quick pass. Or go cordless to get the same quick cleaning convenience but with no strings attached. When you're done, just wash and reuse the microfiber swipes pad.
Here are some other reasons I love this. It's cordless, you just need to charge it up with the included adapter. It's bagless, it's very lightweight, under 5 pounds. Plus, the easy on-off switch at the handle means no bending. The best feature of all is our super low price. It's half off the store price. Now, one thing I want to mention is our stock is limited, so head on over to Pulse TV and grab one today.